guys, Candida here. Check out the EGO Power misting fan. I live in Texas and the summer heat is hot, and this fan has definitely been a game changer. I love being outside and I love working outside, and sometimes I just need a little bit of cool air and even a little bit of a mist. This EGO fan measures about 18 inches wide. What I love about it is you can adjust the angle. So right here, you can adjust it up, you can adjust it down, and so that way you can get the right amount of wind speed. Now, this fan does not come with a battery. The battery is sold separate, and so the battery will go right in here. You can see here's your buttons, but this fan is on wheels, and so you can have it on its side, you can lift it up, but if you want to take it somewhere, it's on wheels and it's easy to go. So as you can see here, you can wheel it anywhere. We go to the beach. We love to go to the beach, and this is perfect for those hot summer days. Now we're gonna see the fan in action. So when you get your battery, all you've got to do is simply slide it into place. It'll lock, you close the lid. And then to turn it on, you simply hit the power button. It does have different fan speeds, so here it's on low. That's the high speed right there. So you can hear the noise, and here's turbo. That's with the turbo on. Now, this fan also has a mister. You can see the misters right here on the front. It's got 4 misters, and on the back side is the hose. So all you've got to do is have a bucket of water if you want the misting feature. You put that in, you push the button, and the mist comes out. The mist you can have run continuously if you want a continual mist, or you can set it on a timer. If you have it on a timer, it will stop, and it will spray it out every 10 seconds. As you can see, it stopped, and then it will start again. So this is a great way to stay cool, get some extra fan. You can use it outside, you can use it in your shop, you can use it in your garage. It is multi-purpose, and it will travel with you. So I hope you found the review helpful.